Maya was a curious 5-year-old girl with medium brown skin and big, dark eyes that sparkled with excitement. Her curly black hair bounced as she jumped onto her bed, ready for another night of adventure. Maya wore her favorite blue pajamas covered in little white stars, perfect for her imaginary journeys. As she snuggled under her soft, warm blanket, she couldn't help but wonder what magical dreams awaited her tonight. The room was dimly lit by a small night light shaped like a crescent moon, casting a gentle glow across Maya's toys and books. Her walls were painted a soft sky blue, with fluffy white clouds carefully drawn by her artistic mother. A large window faced her bed, allowing the real moon to peek through the curtains and bathe her room in silvery light. Maya's eyes grew heavy as she gazed at the twinkling stars outside, her mind already drifting towards dreamland. Suddenly, Maya felt a gentle rocking motion beneath her. She blinked in surprise as her cozy bed began to transform before her very eyes. The wooden headboard stretched and curved, becoming the bow of a small boat. Her blanket shimmered and changed into billowing white sails, catching an invisible breeze. The carpet beneath her bed rippled and turned a deep, midnight blue, transforming into a vast, moonlit sea. Maya gasped in delight as she found herself sitting in a magical boat, floating on a sea of dreams. The walls of her bedroom faded away, replaced by an endless expanse of starry sky. The moon, now full and bright, hung low in the sky, casting a silvery path across the gentle waves. Maya's heart raced with excitement as she realized her adventure was about to begin. Wow! Maya exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. She reached out to touch the water, feeling its cool smoothness against her fingertips. The boat rocked gently beneath her, its wooden planks creaking softly. Maya noticed the small wheel at the front of the boat and eagerly grabbed it, ready to steer her vessel through this magical world. As Maya turned the wheel, the boat responded smoothly, gliding across the moonlit sea. She giggled with joy, feeling like a real captain on her very own ship. The sails above her head billowed in a warm, gentle breeze that carried the scent of salt and adventure. Maya closed her eyes for a moment, savoring the feeling of freedom and excitement that coursed through her. Suddenly, Maya heard a splash nearby. She opened her eyes and peered over the edge of the boat, curious to see what had made the noise. To her amazement, she saw a group of glowing fish swimming alongside her boat. Their scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, creating a dazzling light show beneath the waves. Hello, little fish, Maya called out, waving to her new aquatic friends. To her surprise, one of the fish leapt out of the water and spoke to her in a bubbly voice. Hello, Maya. Welcome to the Sea of Dreams. We've been waiting for you. The fish did a playful flip in the air before diving back into the water with a splash. Maya's eyes sparkled with excitement. You can talk? That's amazing, she exclaimed. The fish popped its head above the water again, its iridescent scales gleaming in the moonlight. Of course we can talk. This is a magical place where anything is possible. Would you like us to guide you to some wonderful sights? Without hesitation, Maya nodded enthusiastically. Yes, please. I'd love to explore this magical sea. The fish swam in circles, creating a shimmering whirlpool of color. Then follow us, brave captain. They forest. Maya gripped the wheel tightly, ready for whatever adventures lay ahead. As Maya steered her boat through the glittering waters, she noticed the scenery around her beginning to change. Towering rock formations rose from the sea, their surfaces sparkling with embedded gemstones. Waterfalls of liquid starlight cascaded down the cliffs, creating a symphony of tinkling sounds that filled the air. Look, Maya! One of the fish called out. Those are the singing cliffs of stardust. Maya watched in awe as the waterfalls seemed to dance and sway, their movements creating a beautiful, otherworldly melody. She found herself humming along, feeling the magic of the music flow through her. As they sailed past the singing cliffs, Maya noticed something floating in the distance. As they drew closer, she realized it was a group of fluffy, pastel-colored clouds hovering just above the water. To her amazement, she could see small, twinkling lights moving about inside the clouds. What are those? Maya asked, pointing to the clouds. A purple fish with silver fins answered, those are the dream cloud islands. They're where all the sweetest dreams are born. Maya steered her boat closer, fascinated by the gentle glow emanating from the clouds. As they approached, she could hear soft giggles and whispers coming from within. Suddenly, a small, glowing figure emerged from one of the clouds. It was a tiny fairy with gossamer wings and hair that sparkled like stardust. The fairy flew over to Maya's boat, leaving a trail of shimmering dust in its wake. Hello, Maya, the fairy said in a tinkling voice. Would you like to visit our dream cloud island? Maya's eyes widened with excitement. Oh, yes, please, she exclaimed. The fairy giggled and waved its wand, creating a path of twinkling stars leading from the boat to the nearest cloud. Maya carefully stepped onto the starry path, amazed to find it solid beneath her feet. She followed the fairy into the cloud, gasping as she entered a world of soft, pastel colors and floating dream bubbles. Inside the cloud, Maya saw countless fairies busily working on different dreams. Some were painting rainbows, others were crafting fluffy animals, and a few were even conducting an orchestra of singing flowers. The air was filled with the sweet scent of cotton candy and the sound of tinkling laughter. Maya felt as if she had stepped into the most wonderful playground imaginable. This is where we create the happiest dreams for children all over the world, the fairy explained. Maya watched in wonder as a fairy nearby blew a bubble that contained a miniature circus, complete with tiny acrobats and clowns. Would you like to help create a dream? The fairy asked. Maya nodded eagerly, her eyes shining with excitement. The fairy led Maya to a small workstation where she could craft her very own dream. With the fairy's guidance, Maya used magical paints and stardust to create a beautiful scene of children playing in a field of flowers under a rainbow sky. As she finished, the fairy gently blew on the painting, and it transformed into a shimmering dream bubble. Your dream will make a child very happy tonight, the fairy said, smiling at Maya. Maya beamed with pride, watching as her dream bubble floated away to find its dreamer. As she looked around, she noticed that the cloud was starting to fade, becoming more transparent. The fairy noticed too and said gently, it looks like it's time for you to return to your own dreams, Maya. Maya felt a twinge of sadness as she waved goodbye to the fairies and floated back to her magical boat. As she sailed away from the dream cloud islands, she noticed the sea and sky beginning to blur together. The rocking of the boat became gentler, and Maya found her eyelids growing heavy. As she drifted off to sleep within her dream, she heard the faint voices of the fish and fairies wishing her sweet dreams. Maya smiled, knowing that even though her adventure was ending, many more magical dreams awaited her in the nights to come.